Hello, hey, I am Sikandar Abu Rakib. Here I am going to share with you one Arduino based project. The project title is Irrigation project based on the microcontroller Arduino Uno, and the water pump will be automatically turned on and off based on the moisture sensor here. And this is transformer, step down transformer. This is the full rectifier circuit and voltage regulator circuit. This is totally called power section, and this is 16 to character LCD display, and here I am using small section for controlling the 5 voltage and ground throughout the circuit, and this is the moisture sensor control board, and this is relay, and this is pump, and this is microcontroller Arduino Uno R3. So here Sakira, can you just get off it? Okay. When this sensor is pulling up from the water, and this here in the display we can see this close. Yes, motor is on and moisture is 1%. Okay, and here the relay light is blinking and the pump is on. If you put the sensor into the water, sensor and the relay is off, and here if you focus on the LCD display, motor is off, moisture is 100% as the sensor is inside the water. So can you pull the sensor? Yes, when the sensor is out of the water, then motor is on, and when the moisture is 100%, then the motor is turning off. We can see motor is turning off. So can you pull the sensor from the water? Okay. So as sensor is out of the water, so motor is on. That means water pump is on. So this is the automatically controlled water pump, and we can use it for the irrigation project and other sectors. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you need any help about this project, you can contact with me. Thank you very much for watching.